Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the 8-inch electric chainsaw cordless, a game changer for anyone looking to tackle tree branches, courtyard tasks, and garden maintenance with ease. This 2024 upgraded model boasts a self-oiling system, eliminating the hassle of manual oiling and ensuring your chain is always lubricated for smoother, less wear-intensive cutting. With tool-free chain tensioning, this chainsaw is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for seniors and women who want to handle it effortlessly without tiring their hands. The Zeeksaw Mini Chainsaw is a powerhouse, featuring a super-high chain speed of 25 feet per second, allowing you to slice through a 6-inch thick branch in just 5 seconds, making it ideal for deforestation, pruning, gardening, and even carpentry DIY projects. Its versatility makes it a must-have tool for farm, garden, and home use, and it's so lightweight that even the tiniest person can wield it with one hand. Plus, it makes for the perfect gift for your loved ones who are gardeners, DIY enthusiasts, or woodworkers, and it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this superstar garden machine that promises to make your outdoor tasks a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.